I've taken some JV weld and I've gone over and I've fixed up this handlebar cover a little better. I've used some quick weld, and this is an art in itself. This heals up in about 5 minutes. So the thing is to get it on here a little bit bigger than you want, and then hold your panels one way or another, because gravity is always going to have that moving. And I took out the lines down here, made this a little bit easier. I got to clean that up. That right there is kind of the tip of the day. That is a little bit of wax. You want to make sure you don't have any of that when you go to get this on here. And then I've gone around the back edges here. All around here and the insides, so that when I go to spray it, the truck bed stuff, that it will stick pretty good. So I'll take some 400 grit and I'll smooth that down where I want it. Smooth all these edges, and then we'll spray it. And after that, then I'll start to put things back together if I can remember where they go. The next thing to do after this will be to place the front under fender on, and then start to place the radiator and see where I can get it to fit. I'll have to make a bracket. I'm not a welder, so I'll have to make a bracket out of something to get it to fit underneath the panel, and then I'll have to run all my plumbing underneath everything back to the motor area. Project DIO, and we continue.